Okay, we'll start with just dropping the drip tray into the cutout on the bench. Yeah, we connect the lines so that the insulation just goes through the penetration. So just through there, that's the right spot when it spots just a little bit through there. Okay, then we'll connect the lines. Now you need to do everything in this order. Start the water lines. Then do these in a sequence that they're numbered. Make sure you feel it clicking nicely.
Oh, they're gonna roll.
Cool. Start again.
Oh no, that was right. It rubbed off a bit.
Start again. Number one. Two. Just do it in the sequence, John, that way something goes together nicely. So now you've got the 3 B lines connected coming to the taps, you've got 2 water lines, and then you've got these 3 connections here where the B lines just plug straight in. 1, 2, 3. B lines are in the box. That's all there is to it. Now, when you get the unit, after you've connected it up like this, John, you fill the tank up with water until the coils are covered. Yep. So the copper coil should be covered by water. And then once it's covered, turn it on. Always make sure this plug is in. Sometimes it gets dislodged in transit. This powers up the agitator motor. There's your temperature control. We'll leave it at that setting. There's your on and off switch.